Today, we're making a delicious pot of Nigerian party jollof rice. This is one of those meals packed with rich flavors, beautiful color, and that irresistible smoky party taste. So, let's get cooking and make this delicious Nigerian classic together. After preparing all my ingredients, I'm starting with enough oil to cook our delicious jollof rice. Then I'll add my onions and let them cook for a few minutes until they turn beautifully golden brown. Next, I'll add my smooth, well-blended tomato mixture and give everything a good stir. I'll let it boil and cook properly before adding my seasonings. Once the tomatoes are nicely cooked, it's time to add the flavor. I'm adding bay leaves, mixed spices, garlic powder, and all the natural spices I love. Remember, don't be shy with those beautiful spices. Let's take this jollof from 100 to 1,000 levels of deliciousness. Fire rice love. Then I will add my rice after 1 hour of my spices pot cooling down, and then I will let my jollof cook until it's ready.
I see the pepper, I don't add the meat, it don't turn to soup. Oh, Shombo they complain, say you know nice when I tell them na food. Oh, yo,
food na food, food na food, food na food, yo. Food na food, yo. Whether big or small, yo. Food na food, food na food, na turkey and rice, yo. Na turkey and rice, yo. Where they enter my eyes, yo. Food na food, food na food, food na food.
And now it's time to add my washed rice to our delicious tomato mixture. I'll stir everything together very well. As you can see, the mixture is thick, rich, and beautifully cooked with all those amazing spices. Instead of adding water, I'm going to use my delicious goat meat broth to cook the rice. This will give our jollof even more flavor. I'll cover it and let it cook nicely. Before the rice completely dries up, I'll add my green beans for extra color, flavor, and a little crunch. Rice green. And if you'd love to see a full detailed video showing every step of how I make this delicious Nigerian party jollof rice, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our delicious recipes. Yum.